I'll be showing Minecraft lesson plan creation using AI in the Teach module. So I'm signed in at Microsoft365.com with my educator account. I will go and click right here on Teach. This pulls up the Teach module and has all your different teaching tools. In the upper right, I've got a deeper dive on the entire Teach module, but today we're going to go under Curriculum Planning here. And you're going to see this new Minecraft Education lesson plan, and click this. Now, first off, let's give it a subject, and we're going to be doing science, and we're going to set it to be 8th grade level, and the language is English. And we've got many different languages here, and more are coming soon. Next up, we're going to give this a description of the type of lesson plan we want. Okay, I've got a lesson about students investigating ecosystems, energy transfer, etc. You can also add other content or lesson plans as grounding materials for the AI. So I could add a Word document or a PDF or other things, but we're just going to keep this simple in this case. Next up, and this is a really great feature, is adding standards. So you can make sure your Minecraft lesson plan is standards aligned. Now I'm going to click here, and we have standards from all 50 states and over 40 different countries, with more countries coming soon. So if you drop down standard set, I've got Washington State selected here, but you're going to see all sorts of different countries around the world. And if you don't see your country in this list, in the link in the video description, you can go and request standards. We also have more coming out very soon, so be sure to check in and see that refreshed standards list. Now I can also choose my grade, and I've chosen 8th grade here. We have different subjects, so many different subjects: social studies, financial literacy, language arts, mathematics, etc. But I've chosen science, and in particular, I'm going to go and choose life science. And this loads up the standards from Washington State. So I'm going to pull up ecosystems here and expand, and there's a bunch of different standards. I'm going to check a few of these on, and this will help align my Minecraft lesson plan to the Washington State standards. And now I'll click Add. It's added these 3 standards right here. I can also set the lesson plan duration. So let's say I want to make it 60 minutes, and now click Generate. It's generating my lesson plan. Great, so here is my Minecraft ecosystem investigation and energy transfer experiment. The standards are listed at the top, and I can always go and edit any of these boxes in here. I've got the objectives. I've got recommended materials. Now, preparation, this is really handy. If you're new to Minecraft education, there's a link to the Minecraft Teacher Academy. And here's all sorts of professional development for Minecraft, where you can download Minecraft for education. It also has Minecraft 101. This is a course on the Microsoft Educator Center, and you can get course credit and get PD. There's also just links to Minecraft education, basic controls, and the blocks of grass link to open the world in Minecraft or assign it in teams, because this is going to be recommending the blocks of grass world template. If you're in Minecraft education, that should be more familiar. So there's ecosystem exploration hook, designing and conducting Minecraft ecosystem experiments, and lots of other good information. And there's how long it will take suggested in each one. And again, you can edit any of this and change it. You can move things up and down. If I want to move that up, I click that, or I can move it back down again. So you can see a nice, rich Minecraft lesson plan. Now also, I can say enhance with AI. So I can add challenges, add build tasks, differentiate learning styles. I can change the length, concise or expanded, or I can just type directly what I need to enhance with AI. So let's say I added build tasks and add assessment or reflection prompt, and click regenerate lesson plan. Okay, update and override. So now it's going to generate a new lesson plan based on the things that I added with enhancing with AI. So here is my new lesson plan. And what's nice is this is just draft 2 of 2. If I want to go back to my original one, I click here, and you can see it made some changes in that lesson plan based on what I asked it to do in the AI. So it keeps track of your drafts. Let's say I'd like to keep this draft. Now I click Save to OneDrive, and I'll just click Save here in my OneDrive. Now it's going to save my lesson plan. Now it's saved to OneDrive. And what's really nice is there's a Launch Minecraft Education right here. So if I click this, I don't have the actual world that it suggested, but if I was using Minecraft Education and everything was downloaded, it'll actually open up that world. That link can also be shared with students so they can open up the world as well. And if I want to view my document, I just click right here, and it's going to open up Word. And here is that full document. And you can see at the top, there's a blocks of grass student link. Again, if a student has that blocks of grass world, when they click this, it will open up that world and download. Again, I don't have that one installed, but the students would have that link and it would install it. So they have that Word document right there. We'll go back here to this tab and I'm going to say, go home. This brings me back into the Teach module under curriculum planning, and I can go do other things. Also in history, that Minecraft lesson plan I just created is listed right there in the history section.